Meet Pip, the plant, where every part has an important job. Roots gather water and minerals, anchoring Pip firmly in soil. Inside the stem, tiny pathways lift water and move food. Flowers can form fruits, which protect seeds for new plants. Leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make plant food. Together, these parts help Pip grow, bloom, and begin again. A flowering plant looks simple, yet every part has a special job. Roots anchor plants and absorb water and minerals from soil. The stem supports the plant and carries materials between its parts. Flowers help many plants make seeds through pollination. Leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make plant food. Fruit protects seeds, and those seeds can grow into new plants.